Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explain possible finance app review to see if it's worth it. So the possible app finance is a short-term loan app designed to help people with poor or no credit get smaller loan, usually up to $500, and repay them in installment. You can apply through the app, connect your bank account, and if it approved, receive the money within a minute or an hour. Unlike payday loan, possible let you repay the loan over a several weeks and report your on-time payment to credit bureaus, which can help you build your credit score. So this app is simply to use and doesn't require a credit check, but it changes a fixed fee instead of traditional interest, which can still be costly compared to other form of borrowing. Possible finance is useful if you need a fast loan and can't qualify elsewhere, especially if you are looking to improve your credit, but because of its high cost and limited loan amount, it's best used only emergencies, not as long-term financial solution.